It's a hot and sunny day once again after Typhoon Agon left the country today. It's really very hot again under our hot tin roof. And good, we have many watermelons. We have red watermelon, golden watermelon, and we have melon or cantaloupe.
It's Don Carter 17.